Welcome to PDF Liner Easy Guides. In this video, we will show you step by step how to properly fill out a D1 form to apply for a driving license in the UK using PDF Liner. First of all, check out the official guide on government.uk. DVLA D1 form is the application you need to fill out to apply for your first UK driving license. Filling it out correctly is important to avoid any delays in getting your license. Follow the link in the description and open the fillable form by clicking the Fill This Form button. Now that the editor is loaded, you can begin filling out your application. You'll need to have your basic personal information ready, including your full name, date of birth, address, and contact details in Section 1. Make sure your name, date of birth, and address match your ID documents exactly. Next, specify your address change and residency info by answering the questions. Section 2 is for the eyesight check. You'll simply need to self-declare whether you can meet the minimum eyesight standard for driving. In Section 3, write a date when you'd prefer to receive your license and tick the box for the type of license you need. This includes options like applying for your first provisional license, renewing your license, or requesting a replacement for a lost one. If you are exchanging an EU license, provide those details here too. Section 4 asks for information about your previous license if you are renewing or requesting changes to an existing one. Provide the expiry date and details of any disqualifications if applicable. One of the most important sections is number 5 regarding medical conditions. You must declare any relevant medical conditions here so DVLA can determine if you meet the medical requirements. Read the list carefully and tick any conditions that apply to you. DVLA may request additional medical reports. You'll need to send in identity documents with the form, which are outlined in Section 6. Standard options are a UK passport, birth certificate, EC identity card, etc. If you are providing identity documents other than up-to-date passport, someone should sign the back of the photo that you are providing and also list their information and a signature in Section 7. Lastly, sign and date the declaration at the bottom of Section 8. To sign the form, click the Sign field, create your signature, and click the Sign button. Choose a current date using the Date field. Attach your photograph to the form according to the instructions provided by DVLA. Double-check that you have filled everything in correctly before submitting the form along with your supporting documents and payment. Click one of these buttons to download, share or save the form. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Using PDF Liner, you can also edit, sign, convert, and share any PDF documents, save loads of time, and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms. Learn more at pdfliner.com.